Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to another DIY Monday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to be coming to you guys today. Now, I was at Target the other day and Target had these decorative, decorative jags or jugs or whatever you want to call it. These are wood beads and it's pretty much black and you get 4 pieces, y'all. Don't sleep on your Target. You get 4 pieces. You can make 4 pair of earrings for $1. Okay, I mean you can make 2 pair of earrings for $1. So I actually got 3 of these. I was trying to grab more, y'all, but they only had like 2 or 3 of them left. So what the items that you are going to need is you're going to need a wood bead. And the thing I like about this is it already has a hole in it. You're going to need a piece of 20 gauge wire, a jump ring, and these right here are some appliques. They look like they are wood, but they are actually not wood. They are made from cardboard. You guys give me a minute and I am going to show you what they came in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I got them from Michael's. And I thought they were wood. I really, truly thought that they were wood beads, but they're not. And I actually got them in some clocks designs, and I got them in some keys designs, which I'm going to be doing some another DIY on. But anyway, I'm trying to see if I can find the ones that I opened up the back of it, and so y'all can see. It's just recollections, and these are paper, like a paper cardboard. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this project. The things that you're going to need 2 of these because we're going to put one in the front and one in the back. You're going to need some E6000, and you're going to need your round nose pliers, and of course you are going to need your wire cutters. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And of course, y'all know I always leave something out, a fish hook. So we're going to go ahead and make our little, y'all know my usual loop, my connector, and you make a loop, then you give it some indentation like this, and then you take this piece right here and you push it up and you just wrap it around. Okay, once you do that, you cut this piece here off, the excess. You cut the excess off, and then you take your round nose pliers and you squeeze it in. And then we're going to just go ahead and attach this onto the piece of wood. Now, see, the thing I like about this too is this is black, so I don't have to do anything to it. You want to take it and flip it from the front to the back, from the back to the front. You push this through, and you want to pinch this piece up like that. Pinch that up. You pinch this piece up also, and then you start wrapping it around and pull it as tight as you can get it. Okay, wrap it around and you want to pull it as tight as you can get it. And you wrap it a couple times. It doesn't have to be, you can wrap it once or twice, and then we're just gonna cut that excess off right there. Cut that off. And then we just take our pliers and just squeeze it in. And this is pretty much what you're gonna have. Now, I'm gonna put on my gloves and we're gonna put the E6000, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna apply that to my little flower here. So I'm going to take my E6000. I'm going to put it on something like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit and put it on my finger. Put just a little on my finger. And I'm going to show you, I'm just going to lightly dab it on my little flower. And you're going to put it on the front and the back of your item. Whoops. And then we're just going to take and place it. You want to try to get it in the center of your bead, and we're going to place it in the center of the bead. There you have it. And we're going to do this again on the front and the back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so what you want to do is you want to take your E6000, put a little bit on your hand, dab it lightly on your flower, and then place your flower onto the wood bead. And you want to do that on the front. You want to do that on, of course, you're putting on 2 pieces, so you want to do it for the front side and for the piece that you're going to be putting on the back. I had to come in and make a correction. That is why I am doing it this way. In the previous video, I said the front and the back. You do not put E6000 on the front or the back of your flower. You only put it on the whichever piece, the front or the back. You only put it on one side, and then you place it on your wood bead. Do not put it on the front and the back of your piece, okay? Correction. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so once you get your flower on the front and on the back of your bead, then we're going to add our fish hook, and this will be the end of your earring. That way you'll have a design on the front and the back, and you'll have a beautiful pair of earrings, and these are gorgeous. I want to thank you guys for joining me for today's DIY. I hope you all have a wonderful and awesome holiday, and I will see you guys back here on Tuesday's show and tell. Enjoy your day. Peace and blessings. See ya.